Hi, my name is Erin Dudley, and I'm going to talk to you today about global warming. My interviewer is my mom, Pat Dudley. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Okay, she's going to stand up and get comfortable, and she's going to ask me a few questions. And I'm going to talk to you about global warming today and how we can help our Earth preserve its energy.
Okay, Erin, tell me about global warming.
Okay, global warming, they say over the past 50 years, the global temperature has increased at the fastest rate in recorded history. Scientists agree that the Earth's rising temperatures are fueling longer and hotter heat waves, meaning hotter summers, more drought. It's also more frequent heavy rainfall and flooding, and more powerful tornadoes and hurricanes are affecting us due to this global warming.
How is it affecting us?
Okay, it's affecting us because the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is rising. Like the polar ice caps in the Arctic are melting, and the world is warming. The Arctic ice caps act as a global heat shield, reflecting heat that would otherwise be absorbed by the ocean, and they destabilize the climate. The Arctic ice cap has lost about 80% of its volume since 1979, contributing to approximately 1/3 of global temperature rise. That's why we're having stronger tornadoes, bigger hurricanes, more frequent hurricanes, flooding throughout the United States, hotter droughts. Our wildfires are out of control in California and Oregon and up in that part of the United States.
What causes it?
Global warming, it occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally this radiation would escape into space, but these pollutants trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. It's known as the greenhouse effect.
What are the effects?
The warming is alternating the Earth's climate system, including its land, atmosphere, oceans, and ice. Higher temps are worsening many types of disasters, including storms, heat waves, floods, and droughts. Wet areas become wetter, dry areas become drier. Drought conditions jeopardize access to clean drinking water, and fuel causes out-of-control wildfires like they have in California and up in that part of the United States. Heavier rains are occurring in the southwest and in the southeast, causing flooding, and the hurricanes have been terrible this year. We've had 2 or 3 major hurricanes in 1 year at category 4 and 5 levels. That's uncommon. That's due to the pollutants in the air that have caused global warming that is causing this to happen. We can fix it if we curb dangerous climate changes that require very deep cuts in emissions, as well as the use of alternative fossil fuels worldwide. And according to the National Climate System, human influences are the #1 cause of global warming. That means that we need to do more to stop global warming. We need to find alternative ways to use fossil fuel. We need to find something else to use instead. Something that would be better for our environment before the ozone layer gets less and less, and it keeps us from, having normal weather, and some major disasters and catastrophes continue to happen. Carbon pollution is caused by burning fossil fuels. The carbon dioxide and other pollutants we release, they act like a blanket, trapping the sun's heat and causing the planet to warm. So we need to worry about some carbon dioxide. We need to cut out the use of carbon dioxide as well. Coal mining is also another one that is damaging our earth, and that's something we need to work on as well. The effects of all this is the warming is alternating the Earth's climate system, including its land, atmosphere, oceans, and ice. Higher temps are worsening many types of disasters, including storms, heat waves, flooding, tornadoes, and droughts are happening. Wet areas are becoming wetter, and dry areas are becoming drier. There's more drought, which causes us to have less produce. It can affect our agricultural supply and, what they're able to grow if we have drought and they don't have enough rainfall. In the other states where we have heavier rainfall, it can wash away crops and cause flooding and mudslides and keep us from being able to produce, food there. So there's a lot of things that we need to work on in order to better our climate before it's too late. Thank you.